Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombiebargainhunter, and today this is day 7 of week 2. So far we've only pulled 2 winners. Hopefully we change that today. Both winners were pulled on week 1, but we got some great cards so far this week. Hope you've been following and watching my struggles to open these boxes. Yeah, we've had a fun time. We've hit 2 gold cards, which was amazing, and we hit a bunch of 3D cards and some film cells. I mean, we've had a nice array of nice cards. So even though we haven't hit any winner boxes this week, we've had nice success. But anyways, if you need any cards, feel free to go to my website, plushgamesandmore.com. I have plenty of cards there sitting and waiting for you. We got the encased. And we got these guys. And we got a couple back here. If anybody has not claimed last week's giveaway, make sure to DM me. I'm doing this early, so I don't know if all the giveaways have been given away yet. This is a few days early, so yeah. I'm talking to you in the future from the past, or whatever. You know what I mean. Yeah, just DM me and I will get your prizes out immediately. Alright, let's get going. Let's see if we can get another gold card. We didn't get another winner card, but let's see if we get another gold card, or at least another really nice encased card, because we've had some nice hits this week, and we'll hope let's keep it going. I mean, I would love to hit a winner card, but it's not in the cards this week. We still have a bunch of weeks to go. We have the Claw and Wally. I'm getting me a zombie playmat, so hopefully next week it'll be here and you will see a nice zombie playmat. We have Wally and Joe. Kind of looks like him. So hopefully next week I will have a nice zombie playmat. The person already mailed it out, so got the Incredible Family and Joe Gardner. Let me know down below what is your favorite Pixar character, so when I'm doing the giveaway, I can focus on that. Jack and Rex. If you're watching on TikTok, make sure to come on over so you can join the giveaway on YouTube. At the end of the week, I will be doing the duck races. And whoever the top 5 that win will get a nice prize. Oh, we have another Buzz Lenticular. Buzz and Zurg. And we got Forky. We got the trash. He looks like trash. Come on, cards. Oh, we have a Remy. I haven't seen Remy in a long time. I've seen a lot of Lotzos, but I haven't seen a nice Remy. The Remy the Rat. Honestly, I don't think I want him cooking for me, so... There we have Jack trying to shoot off his father's head, and we have a Woody. Lotso and what the May? Oh, we have a nice movie quote from Toy Story. I haven't seen this one in a while. But the thing that makes Woody special is he'll never give up on you. You see right there. See how really nice, like rainbow, just really nice how these cards are made. Even the These are supposedly the base cards. Look at how shiny and... I mean, yeah, these are really nice cards. I'm very happy with these cards. We have an upside down Nemo. And we have a Carl. Oh, hope that doesn't mean you're dead, Nemo. You still alive? Oh, sorry about that. Didn't mean to turn you upside down. I think I killed Nemo. Sorry, guys. I killed Nemo. I found him and killed him. Got another Carl and another Violet. Come on, let's get a gold card. Let's get a gold Nemo. A Lotso and a Bob Parr. Mr. Incredible. There we go. We got a creepy Anton Lenticular and a Dash. We got a nice Buzz and a Woody set, so that's a nice set right there. I do have the cards and set if you're interested. If you just want like to collect the Toy Story set, or you want to collect the Incredibles set, I have them like that too. So feel free to throw me an offer. Let me know you're from YouTube or TikTok, and I'll make you a deal. We got a Dory and Helen Parr. I never really even knew their last name was Parr till I started opening these cards. I just knew it was Bob and Helen. And let's see if this card's perfect. This one always has some kind of damage to it. And this one actually looks good. Unless the damage is on the back. No, it looks good. I'm not sure, but I do know I'm going to live every minute of it. Oh yeah, this card is actually really nice. They're hard to get perfect because, I don't know, Factory likes dinging those. Well, this pack is hard to open. Hopefully that means it is a good pack. Got a Jessie and a Wally. Alright, that is it for the cards. Let's go to the encase. Let's see if we find something good here. Let's see if we can find a numbered encased card. Oh, what is that? I've never seen this card. Holy cow. That is an embroidered card. Look at that. That is Soul. Not sure what that is. Let me open it if it wants me to. Holy cow, I have never seen that. That is one nice card. It is 130 out of 166. Nice card. I have not seen this card. This will get bagged and taken care of. But yeah, these are the patch embroidered cards that I've talked about. There's only one per case, so they're super hard to get. And the last encased card is Bing Bong Inside Out. I think I moved my camera, so I'm getting a little bit of glare. Sorry about that. And there it is without the magnetic case. But yeah, this set is really worth the money. It's really nice, and I'm happy I got it. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. Make sure you comment, subscribe, like, share if you really like me, and join the giveaway. Take care, everybody. Bye.